Right. The one other thing that I don't have written here that I do want to make sure that you understand is we are going to talk about this a little bit later, but when you're dealing with nth roots, the square root is an nth root where the n value, which is called an index, is an unwritten 2. So when you see a square root, this unwritten number right here would be a 2 and a 2. Okay, however, you guys will see cube roots and fourth roots and other things as we go along. Okay, there's a couple different ways that your calculators can be used to evaluate roots. Okay? The way that all of them can apply is by converting from a radical form into what's called a rational power form. We'll talk more about this in a later section, but just in a very general way, the nth root of a can be expressed as the base a to the power of 1 divided by whatever that index is, so 1 over n. Okay, so if you were looking to evaluate the cube root of 2.71, what you could do on your calculator is you could type in the base 2.71 to the power of, and in parentheses, 1 over, and then whatever this number is, in this case a cube root, so a 3. So you can evaluate it in that form. Okay. There's another way that's available for those of you who have calculators with the most updated operating system, okay, which if you're using the calculator on the computer, it does not. Okay. But if you have the 3.10 version operating system, what you could also do for this is you could evaluate it on your calculator by typing in the word root, followed by parentheses, type your base, and then your index. So in this case, whatever your n value is. So you could also evaluate on your calculator in this fashion. So we could have used root, type the base, 2.71, comma, the index, 3, close it off in parentheses. So each of those would give you the exact same thing. Again, assuming you have the updated operating system.